This is not a joke, you know. This is a winter essential. We'll put it underneath your neck. Welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. This is a life of a broski. I am Erkin and we are unboxing the Nike Air Max Tailwind 4s. Without further ado, got them right here, Sam. Are they ready? Are you ready? You ready? You ready? The Nike Air Max Tailwind fouls. Number foul. Numero. No, uno's 1. 4 in Spanish. Reminds me a lot of the 95s because you got the separation with the bubble. So you got here and there and a little gap in the middle. I'm really liking this bit because it's very, very lightweight on these panels here. But the rest, you've got a solid structure to it. That's cool. That is cool. See, look, soft, very soft, but structure here. Underneath, oh, look at that. Like a TN type sign on the tailwinds. Very much an Air Max underneath. I don't think that was necessary. I really don't think that bit was necessary. If that was plain, that would have looked nice. That would have looked a lot better. Got the Air Max on the tongue. But do you know what? Looking at it from this angle, I don't know if you guys have seen Adidas Climber Cool. Yeah, that's what I thought too. I'm really, really liking them. I'm really, really liking them. The reflective silver panels on there and the accents makes it stand out quite a lot. They're all blacks in this colorway. Very nice. I thought, do you know what? Let me be a bit different. Let me get something that stands out a bit. So I've got the reflective ones. So anyways guys, I'm gonna pop these on, do some moonwalking in them, see how comfortable they are, whether they look good on foot or not. So I'll see you in a tick. We've come to the most important part of the show. Are these a buy or a buy? I'm gonna say they're a buy, even though they're reminiscent to the Air Max 95s and Adidas Climber Cools. But there's enough for me to warrant a buy in terms of uniqueness, but also the classic Nike Air Max feel. Are these a buy or a buy from you? Let me know down below what you think. What colorway would you choose if you were to get these? If you're thinking about getting them, or if you've copped a pair already. Anyways guys, if you want to be notified about any video that is released on this channel, hit that bell icon and you'll be the first one to know when there's a new video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next video, take care.